Hello, hi guys, myself Advocate Meenakshi Datta, currently working as Junior Law Associate in Lexan Company. Today I'm going to say some few words over the topic, what is commercial disputes. Any dispute which arises due to some commercial transaction between two parties, that dispute is going to be fallen as or regarded as commercial disputes. So first of all, to state any dispute as commercial, it has to reach under the definitional clause provided in the Commercial Code Act, that is section 2C. So in order to invoke the jurisdiction of the commercial court regarding any dispute that we are going to regard as commercial dispute, we have to foresee whether such transaction is going to be fallen under the definitional clause provided in the Commercial Code Act. Unless such transaction is not going to fallen under the prescribed conditions, that dispute is not going to be eligible to invoke the commercial court jurisdiction. To invoke commercial court, to invoke commercial court jurisdiction, we have to foresee whether such transaction is fallen under the definitional clause section 2C of the Commercial Code Act. So in short, the commercial dispute always arises from commercial transaction, and which type of commercial transaction will succeed to or will arise commercial disputes. I am going to sum up within few minutes. So such type of transaction are as follows. So any transaction which are related to IPR rights, which are related to insurance, reinsurance, or which are related to export import services, or which are related to carriage of goods services, distribution of profit, or merchant related, finance related, trades and commerce related, all such of transactions will be regarded as commercial transaction. So any type of dispute which arises from such said transaction is going to be regarded as commercial disputes, and such commercial dispute will be eligible to invoke the jurisdiction of the commercial court. And in order to invoke the jurisdiction of the commercial court, first criteria would be that we have to justify that that dispute is commercial in nature, and that dispute is totally arise through a commercial transaction. So the touchstone we have to reach is that the transaction should be commercial in nature, and thereafter only the dispute could be regarded as commercial dispute. And this is a prerequisite for a dispute to be eligible to hold or to invoke the commercial court jurisdiction. So thanks for now. Thank you.